Hey guys, Jordan here. In this video, I'm gonna go over a real estate photography question, and that is, what is the best drone for taking real estate stills and videos? And there are tons of options when it comes to drones out there. They have the Inspire 2, Mavic 3, and going all the way down. But the drone that I recommend for real estate photography, stills and video, from a value perspective, right, from quality and value, is the Air 2S. And you're getting phenomenal performance out of this drone. It does awesome photos. You can also go with the Air 2 if you want to save a little bit of money, and if you want to even save more money, you can go the Mini 2 or even get a used original Mavic Pro. You know, I think you're gonna get good performance because all those drones that I mentioned shoot 4K, and even some shoot even higher than that, and they all have a good sensor size. I think they do vary, but you don't have to send 50 megapixel images to it. I think the Air 2S is a 20 megapixel sensor. The Air 2, I think you can even get like, 50 megapixel pictures out of that one if you want to. I think that's overkill, but the standard photo shooting is fine for that one. The Mini 2 is also, I believe, 20 megapixels, and off the top of my head, the Mavic Pro might be slightly smaller than that. But regardless, if you're out there, you just want the best of photos and video that you can get, that's also budget friendly, then I would say the Air 2S. If you have money to burn, go out and buy the Mavic 3 for $3,000 to $5,000 bucks, but I don't think you're going to be getting that big of an improvement in quality unless you're interested in grading footage or shooting the log format for video on that side of things. So anyways, that's going to do it for this video. If you guys have any additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out. If you're interested in learning about more about the real estate photography business, you can check out our free workshop. The link is in the description below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.